Hi, in this video we are going to continue the theme description for block 02. This is a list of suggestions how we should use this video. We were working with header.php and it was done, so we close it. So now we are going to carry on to work on the rest of the index.php file. Okay, so we can create file by file, or we can just divide the index.php file first. We are going to do that. So in our here we are going to right click and create a couple of documents. The first one is called sidebar.php. Okay, we are going to open it here, and another one we are going to call it functions.php with the S, function with the S. It's going to open here. We are just going to quickly save them, press enter and save them so that the files will appear here. Okay, and then we also need a file called footer.php. Enter and save them. Okay, and a file called content.php. Press enter and save them. Okay, so we have a couple of files here all created, and we can work on them one by one. Let's first work on sidebar. Okay, so I'm going to cut out the sidebar here, put it into the sidebar folder, and in the index, the location where you cut out the sidebar, I'm going to say get sidebar. Control S and Control S. Okay, if you come here and reload, nothing will happen. The sidebar is still there. Okay, so the next thing I want to do is I want to get the footer. Okay, so go to your index from footer container all the way to the end of HTML. Control X to cut. Go to the footer. Control V to paste. Control S to save. Go back to index and get the footer at the bottom. Control S to save. The footer should be still there. Okay, later we are going to put in the code for the footer, but right now the footer is still there. And then the last one, okay, function is still empty, that's all right. The last one is the content. We are going to okay, let's look at our main. Okay, the content is slightly more complicated. All right, so we are not going to do the content in this video because that would make the video too long. But in the next video, we are going to continue to work on the content, also to put in the actual data for the footer and the sidebar. Okay, right now it's just the template. Okay, so we created a couple of files and we are ready to fill in the content in the next video. Thanks for watching.